A small ball of mass 2 milli-kg, that is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg, has a charge of 1 microcoulomb and it is suspended by a string of length zero point 0.2 meter. Another identical ball is kept at the point of suspension. Take g equal to 10 meter per second square. So based on the above facts, answer the following questions. So what is the approximate velocity at the highest point so that one revolution gets complete? So approximate velocity, actually, they should say what is the minimum velocity at the highest point to complete one revolution. For the minimum velocity at the highest point to complete one revolution, the tension can be zero. At the highest point, the tension can be zero. So here, this is the circle, vertical circle completed by the particle. And here, see, ball has mass 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg and it has charge 1 micro. Another identical ball is kept at the point of suspension, means at the center of the circle. Identical ball. So here this will become the center of the circle. The center of the vertical circle will become the point of suspension. So here Q, here also Q. Now, so at the highest point, tension T will be acting like this. Mg will be acting downward. Now, electrostatic force of repulsion will be acting like this. Fe. Now, at the highest point, at the highest point, tension can be zero. Tension can be zero. So to get the minimum velocity. So when tension is zero, only two forces will be acting. What are the two forces? Electrostatic force of repulsion and mg. Now, what is the net force towards the center? The net force towards the center is minus mg minus fe. This net force towards the center should provide the necessary centripetal force, mv square by L. So the length of the string is L. So mg minus q square by 4 pi epsilon naught L square, because separation between these two charges is L, is equal to m v square by L. So this v is the speed at the highest point. That v will be the speed of the mass at the highest point. So substitute the m value, substitute the q value, 1 microcoulomb, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value, L value. So what is this? Mass is, m value is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So they gave length of the string L as 0.8 meter, 1 microcoulomb, G equal to 10. If you substitute 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 minus q square value, 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6 whole square into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value, 9 into 10 to the power of 9 divided by 0.8 whole square is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into v square by 0.8. So if you simplify, you will get this v value. So v value will be approximately will be equal to 2.4 meter per second. At the highest point, this is the minimum velocity. So this is the minimum velocity required by the bob or mass at the highest point to just complete revolution, one revolution.